Hey, welcome to another episode of Fix It with Patrick. Today I've got a Toro leaf blower, and I know the impeller got chipped the other day when I was doing some mulching, so I'm going to show you how to actually replace the impeller on this rather than buy a whole nother blower. So first thing we do is we take the little safety protector down here. There's a little latch here you trigger, and then what you do is take a 1/2 inch socket wrench. You have a little socket here, a little nut to hold on to in there, and then just kind of push the opposite direction on the impeller as you're loosening it up. Shouldn't be on there too tight, really. Take the nut off here. It comes right out. You see here on mine, oh yeah, look at that. It's got a big chip on it right there. It's making a ton of noise because of the imbalance of the impeller itself. I got this replacement impeller. I could put a link to the one I got. And see, one side is just for moving the air, and then the other side is for actually mulching. So just gonna slide it on there, and we're gonna put the nut right back on. So tighten. Okay, snugged up. Put the little protection device on. You're good to go.